About 30 miles north of Madison lies the Prisky family farm. It's here that Madison College culinary arts students are getting valuable hands-on experience harvesting vegetables that'll be used in their cooking.
It's a really great feeling to see where the food came from. You can see the soil in here, and it's a great place.
It's exciting to see the whole process, and I am really looking forward to using this in our labs and in our classes.
To learn more about the 165 acres of farmland Madison College is leasing and how it's giving hands-on training to agriculture, vet tech, and culinary arts students, go to this webpage or call 608-745-3192.
1, 2, 3.
For Madison College Minute, I'm Bill Bessett.